Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss another JEE mains question. Here one main scale division of vernier caliper is A centimeter. Another division of the vernier scale coincide with the n-1 divisions of the main scale. The least count of the caliper in millimeter. So the main scale division of the vernier caliper is A. In that case, the least count of main scale division, it can be written as A centimeter. That would be 10A millimeter. And if you want to know the least count of the caliper, it will be least count of vernier caliper. That would be just 10A millimeter divided by the number of divisions that were coinciding. So that would be n. So here fourth option would be correct. Here there is another JEE mains question. The vernier scale is used for measurement has a positive zero error. So remember, positive zero error is subtracted. Positive zero error is subtracted from the value, from the reading. And negative zero error, it is added. So do note this point. And it is 0.2 mm. So the error is 0.2 mm. It is positive zero error, so we'll subtract it. If while taking a measurement, it was noted that noted 0 on the vernier scale lies between 8.5 and 8.6 centimeter. So our reading, main scale reading, it will be 8.5 centimeter. And vernier coincides with 6. So vernier scale reading will be 6 times into least count of vernier, that is 0.01. 0.01 centimeter, that would be 0.06 centimeter. So the actual reading, this will be main scale reading plus vernier scale reading minus the positive zero error. Minus the positive zero error. This will give me 8.5 centimeters. Vernier scale is again 0.06 centimeter minus positive zero error. So subtracted, that would be 0.2 millimeter, but I'll convert it into centimeter. That would be 0.02 centimeter. This would be 0.02 centimeter. So this will give me 8.56 minus 0.02. That will be 8.54 centimeter. That means the first option here is the correct one.